In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video ad on Facebook Ads Manager 2026 Full Guide, 5 minutes. Open your browser, search for Facebook Ads Manager, and click the official result. On the landing page, choose Go to Ads Manager, then sign in with your account credentials and click Login. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaign's dashboard. Click Create to start a new campaign. Choose an objective that supports video, such as engagement, sales, or traffic. Pick the one that best matches your goal. Reach and views for awareness, traffic for site visits, or sales if you're optimizing for purchases. Click Continue, then give your campaign a clear, consistent name so you can find it later. Click Next. Name your ad set, keeping the naming style consistent with your campaign. Set your start and end date so your ad runs exactly when you want. Scheduling helps control spend and align with launches or promotions. Click Next. Name your ad, then enter your website URL, the page you want people to land on, and add a display link if you prefer a cleaner URL to show in the ad. Click Setup Creative, choose Video Ad, and enter a source URL if that's how your asset is hosted, or move to the Media section. Click Upload and select your video file. Use a high-quality video with a strong hook in the first few seconds. Square or vertical formats often perform well on mobile. When the upload is complete, click Next. Go to the Text section and write your primary text, headline, and description. Keep the headline punchy and the primary text clear about the benefit or offer. If you have an important detail, place it early so it shows even on shorter placements. Choose your call to action like learn more, shop now, or sign up, matching it to your objective and destination. Click Next, then Done. When everything looks right in the previews, click Publish. If prompted, set your payment method to ensure your ads can run without interruption. Save your settings so they're available for future campaigns. Finally, click Publish again to launch your video ad. After publishing, your ad may go through a brief review. Once active, check performance in Ads Manager and watch key metrics like views, click-through rate, and cost per result. If needed, you can pause, edit creatives or text, and republish to improve results. And that's it. You've posted a video ad in Facebook Ads Manager from start to finish.